In this video, I'm talking about the haha wallet and how you can become eligible for the airdrop. Haha wallet is actually a wallet that is built under the Monad ecosystem, and they has confirmed that you can get airdrop by simply interacting with this. If you are interacting with it, you get to claim the karma point, and it is this karma point that will be converted to the haha token on the day of that TGA. To qualify for this airdrop, the first step is for you to download either the haha app on your phone or your mobile devices, or you can download their wallet extension. You can see their wallet extension. You can simply come to Chrome, download the haha wallet extension. Once you have done that, the steps for you to simply interacting with this particular app. You can claim daily haha points. If you tap on claim here every single day, you get to earn 10 points by simply checking every 24 hours. After that, there are tasks that you can simply complete to earn points. You understand? So there are tasks that you can complete to earn points, and some of these tasks are actually this one that I see on your screen. They're pretty much easy for you to actually complete. So once you have completed them, you get to tap on the claim to claim them. So as you can see, I've completed most some of them. They are very much easy for you to complete. So after completing those tasks, other way that you can use to earn more points is actually doing transactions. You get the more transactions you do, the more points you get to earn on this particular platform. For you to earn carrier transactions, you need to actually get some Mon token, the Mona Fastnet, into your wallet. To do this, you can simply tap on receive, copy your wallet address, head over to the Mona official web page. You get the testnet page, and in this page, you get to actually claim free Mona testnet token. On this place, you get to pay. On this website, you can scroll over to this place, and on this place, so you can get to actually place your wallet address. Then you get to check you get to there should be a captcha to verify that you're not a bot. You simply tap on get testnet token, and if you do this, you get to claim free Mona faucet, which you can use to actually carry out transactions. So as you can see, sending tokens. Sometimes it do free to send tokens. You get, but the other ways you can get the free Mona testnet tokens. I made a couple of videos about that, and I think you should do it to watch my video. You get, once you have sent a Mona testnet token into your wallet, for you to actually gain more points is simply using this particular method called a swap. So you need to swap from some Mona to any of these particular tokens right here. You get, I recommend you swap to either COG, you swap to Mulanda, you swap to USDT claim, and I think those are the ones I recommend. These other ones are individuals, are people that create these particular coins. You get, so I don't recommend you swap them. You interact with this one and this and this, so you are good to go. So I'm interacting with this. I need to do is to swap the of this particular coin, get this little a little amount, which is 25%, and swap it to this particular tokens. And if I do that, then I will swap them back again. So I'm going to swap, and for each swap that I do, I'm going to get 10. You can see 10 karma points to get. So I can now go back, we swap all of them back to what, to my Mona token. If I do this, I'll be getting 10 karma points again. So you do this every single day and you will get a point. So the more transactions you can add, the more points you get to claim. So after approving this, I'm going to show you another way I can use to accumulate karma points. So the next way you can use to accumulate a karma point is you transferring between your legacy wallet and your smart wallet. The haha app has both legacy wallet and smart wallet. So all you do is to come to as a legacy wallet, and you need to click on send. You need to click on Monad, and you select your smart wallet. You get transfer some tokens to your smart wallet. If you do this, you're going to get points. You can transfer up to 6 times to your smart wallet, and you'll be getting 60 points. Then after that, you can transfer back from your smart wallet back to your legacy wallet. The other thing that you can use to earn points is this particular place called the Explore. You can go to this particular website called stake.apriori. Go to this website, you stake some Mona testnet token, and once you stake some Mona testnet token, it tells me that you are interacting with this particular page and you get free karma points. So right now, this is my I'm actually doing Mona testnet. You get, using OKS wallet, but I'm doing interacting with it using AHA wallet. So I'm going to disconnect that wallet. I'm going to connect my AHA wallet to this particular page. get. So once I connect it, I'm going to accept this. So on this place, I can simply tap the amount of token that I want to swap, 0.001. This is this. Then I'm going to stake it. You get. Once you stake it, the next is for you to actually confirm. Then you approve the stake. You get. If you do these interactions, you get karma points too. And remember, use that karma point that is going to be converted to what TG as converted to the karma tokens. After staking, you can come to this place and withdraw, and then you can withdraw your stake. You get the coin that you stake. So let's go over to the claim, and you can see there's no claim, right? So you have to leave for up to like 5 days, then you can come back to comma on stake. Then you get. So on this place, you get to see your points. You get. So you can see I have over 557 points. I'm level 3, meaning I need to get 43 points for me to move to level 4. And in this place, you can also get to claim free monarch forces. You get. Another way for you to earn on this particular to earn more karma point is you doing referring your friends. You get. So you come to these settings, you come to refer friends. I'm going to see a referral link, copy, share to your friends. I want to sign up to you get a karma point. So guys, these are several methods I can use to actually participate in this airdrop. The airdrop, as we confirm, do it to interact with it, and if you do so, you will get rewarded with this airdrop. So guys, if you do the helpful, do to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon to get notified that I drop helpful videos like this. You can do my Telegram and WhatsApp community for you to get first and early updates. So guys, this will be it. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.